Welcome to my journey of creating magic. So, yesterday I met with Mr. Lutz concerning the project. So he said this concept looks like I'm growing genitals. Yeah, and now unfortunately I can't unsee it. And so I had to do a second concept, which is this. So I'm going to take it to him and see what he says. By the way, this project is inspired by Tong Lang. I hope I got that right. Called Cannot Let Go. Hey guys. So today I met with Mr. Lutz, my lecturer, and he said I should stick to the same concept. So what I'll be doing is I'll be recreating the original concept of the sculpture, and in my own case I'm going to make. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to make the heart that is pending. I'll make the heart glow. So is what I'm going to do is I will try to make a light bulb, but I'll connect it with solar systems, so some way it glows or it radiates even at night. So that is the concept of mine. So that way the sculpture stays timeless, which I think is a brilliant idea, and I like it much better right now. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I have a meeting with one of the art directors, Mrs. Mandana, and she'll be teaching me how to create the first model. Hello, Mandy.
They're much more effective.
Oh, by the way, see the cute light, man. Let's go.
Well, bro, congratulations, I guess.
That's for this appreciate.
I'm working, bro.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Woohoo! This one more.
Now you're talking. Now you're talking. All right, we're done. Thank you so much.
Oh, perfect.
Check.
Top.
Check.
Something like that.
So I'm done with the small model. I just have a little to do. Thinking about the process so far, it hasn't been too easy, or it hasn't been easy at all, I'm not gonna lie. It was a little bit tricky because I had self-doubt and a whole lot. I got a little bit scared on the big model. But I just had a conversation with Mr. Lutz, and as usual, his encouragement is still what is getting me going. So I am really grateful for him, and now I'm much more fired up for the big one. And yeah, it's going to be a huge success. I can feel it. So stay tuned.